हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एक्सप्रेस क्लासेस। आज हम +2 के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें चैप्टर 7 इज गोइंग ऑन इंटीग्रल्स। ऑन दिस इंटीग्रल चैप्टर, फॉर दिस न्यू सेशन आई हैव स्टार्टेड लेक्चर 1 and lecture 2 on exercise 7.3. In the last session I have completed all the chapters, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 up to 7.3 last year, and after that I have given important question chapter wise and the basic concept chapter wise, chapter 8, 9 up to 13, 14. Okay, but now for this new session I have started from the same point from where I have not explained the every question solution of NCERT book, but I have given concept all chapters in the last year's videos you can see, and last chapters everything there, so you can see the my that videos to get the last exercise solutions and the concept chapter wise. Now for this session I have started, and I will give the link of that last videos in the description of this video. You subscribe first the channel, and then you will subscribe the channel, and then you will get everything on your device automatically. S2S maths classes. Okay, you can search on the YouTube. You subscribe the channel first, and then you watch the video and take the interest and enjoy to get the knowledge. Okay, I think you will do that. Okay, now exercise 7.3. This is the lecture 2 for this session. Lecture 1 I have done day before Monday. Then now up to question 11 we have done. Now question 12 to 17 today we have to do in this video. Okay, now question 12 is integrate sin square x upon 1 plus cos x. You watch here, 1 plus cos x down है, तो अब यहाँ sin square है, तो sin square का फॉर्मूला we can write 1 minus cos square x, and then two factors we can do. 1 minus identity cos square x, because denominator cos है. Okay, this. After that you can algebraic identity a square minus b square in numerator. Numerator as it is 1 plus cos x. Okay, beta. Then integral of this. Then it reveals that a square minus b square. 1 square we can write. Then a plus b 1 plus cos x. A plus b into a minus b, two factor, we can write a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, algebraic identity, and then denominator 1 plus cos x. Okay, then into b. Now simplify, same factor cancel out, denominator numerator, then 1 minus cos x. So integral of 1 dx, second we can do termwise, and minus integral of cos x dx. Done. We know these integral. Okay. So 1 dx x and minus cos x integral sin x. Okay. Plus integral cos x c. Done. Like this you can do. Next question we can do. Yes, beta. Next question, question 13. Integral of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Then here you see cos x minus cos alpha down over 2x and 2 alpha. Then cos 2x formula we can use here. First identity 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x 1. 2 cos square x minus 1. Minus out and again cos 2 alpha, cos 2a formula 2 cos square a minus 1 and minus out, then plus will come. So 2 cos square alpha and minus minus plus 1 whole divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Now simplify, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Okay, 2 common out. And then what is there? Cos square x minus cos square alpha. Then a square minus b square, again 2 factors. Cos x plus cos alpha, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, into cos x minus cos alpha whole divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Okay, beta, into dx. Then same factor cancel. Then what is forward integral of 2 out cos x dx. Certain term wise, okay, and plus 2 out integral of cos alpha with respect to x dx. Okay, and cos x का integral sin x and twice sin x, integral constant c1 and c1 c2 combined c we can write, and plus 2 cos alpha constant with respect to x, then 2 cos alpha x. So 2 cos alpha as it is into x. So 2x cos alpha. This is an important step. Plus integral constant. Answer. Okay. Next question. Yes, beta. Next question number 14. Integral of cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x dx. The integral how can do? 1 plus sin 2x, how can take? First we have to take sin x plus cos x whole square. This identity whole square, you see sin square x a square plus b square plus 2ab, sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 AB sin x into cos x. Okay, now what will be this? You see here, sin square x plus cos square x is 1, 1 plus 2 sin x cos x sin 2x, 1 plus sin 2x is equal to sin x plus cos x whole square. This identity, algebraic identity we have used, then still 1 plus sin 2x. What we can write? Sin x plus cos x whole square. Then sin x plus cos x denominator whole square. Okay, and up as it is cos x minus sin into dx. Okay, test. Now you can see here, what you can see, denominator take t, sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x का डेरिवेटिव minus sin x, so means numerator that it means that substitution, that sin x plus cos x is equal to t, substitution, that differentiate both sides with respect to x, sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x and cos x का डेरिवेटिव minus sin x into dx is equal to dt with respect to x. I mean dt by dx, dx this side. We use this substitution using here, then it will come sin x plus cos x is t, then t square, substitution, then t square, and sin cos x minus sin x dx is dt, then this is dt upon t square. Integral reduced into new variable by this substitution. Okay, beta? And then this will be integral of t power minus 2 up will go into dx. Okay, and our formula integral में, okay, yeah, x power n integral x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, then minus 1 and plus integral constant, and then this a negative of 1 upon t, okay, plus constant. And what is t? Original, replace sin x plus cos x. So minus 1 upon t. T means sin x plus cos x 1 upon t in plus c integral constant. Done. So this is your answer. That is important question. Next question. Yes, beta. Next question. Question number 15. Integral of tan cube 2x into sec 2x dx. Now here, trigonometry first simplify. Tan square cube को square tan square 2x and into tan 2x. क्यूब को स्क्वायर में एंड सिंगल पावर में लिख लिया एंड इट इज sec 2x as it is. Okay. Now tan square theta sec square theta minus 1. Okay. So then sec square theta minus 1. This is tan square 2x by identity. Tan 2x into sec 2x dx. Okay. Now multiply inside. Make two terms. This one term into this and this into 1. Okay. Then what will come? This will reduce and 2x into sec 2x into 1. So minus this dx and plus sec square 2x and sec cube 2x and 2x into sec cube 2x. Yes. Yes. Now this integral dx is 2. After that, this is antiderivative sec x tan x. Derivative sec x tan x integral of sec x tan x sec x. Okay. Derivative of sec x into tan x. So integral sec x tan x integral is sec x. So sec 2x minus integral of this sec 2x and divide by the derivative of 2x divided by this integral and plus this substitution. Let sec 2x is t. Derivative of sec x tan x and derivative of this then multiply by 2 derivative sec 2x into dx is equal to 80. Now you see by this substitution sec x sec 2x and 2x sec 2x 1 sec 2x is t sec 2x tan 2x dx is dt. So 1 here sec 2x and tan 2x, that will be dt, and sec square 2x will be t square. Then integral of t square, and this will go divided by 2. So 1 upon 2 substitution is, and this will be t square into dt. This use this substitution, and then the sec 2x 1 upon minus and plus 1 upon 2 e square integral with respect to t d cube by 3, and this implies minus sec 2x divided by 2 plus this 1 upon 6, and then t cube means from this sec cube 2x, sec cube 2x plus integral constant. See, important question, answer. Okay, like the important question. Next question. Next question. Question 16. Tan power 4x dx integral. Then write into factor tan square x into tan square x. Tan square x value write sec square minus 1 by identity. Okay, एक इसमें से tan square x को ऐसे लिख लिया एज इट इज, एंड दूसरा tan square into that is sec square x minus 1. ओके बेटा, like this. Then you can do now multiply tan square into sec square. Minus tan square separate integral 2 into 3x here into dx. Now you see this tan square तो इजीली sec square minus 1 कट हो जाएगा. अब इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन देखो, किसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करें, sec x को t, तो sec x into tan x dt, फिर tan x रह जाएगा. नाउ then if tan x को t, then tan x का डेरिवेटिव sec x sec square x dx dt में जोड़ जाएगा. तो that for the that tan x is equal to t. Derivative of tan x sec square x dt by dx, then dx this side multiply में आ जाएगा and into dt. So this substitution used for this
And for this, then tan x is t, the t square into dt. And minus second integrate tan square x, we can write sec square minus 1. Identity. Again tan square value, sec square theta minus 1. Now this implies tan square का t cube by 3 minus sec square का इंटीग्रल सेपरेट and minus minus plus 1 का इंटीग्रल. Sec square का इंटीग्रल एंटी डेरिवेटिव then tan x anti derivative formula, because derivative tan x is sec square x, then integral of sec square x is tan x, and minus minus plus 1 dx integral and x, and plus integral constant c. And this is reduced into original. Then t cube means, what is the t cube means? Tan cube x. Tan cube x by 3 minus tan x plus x plus integral constant c. This is your answer. Okay. Next question we can do. Okay. Next question. Question 70. Integral of sin cube x plus cos cube x upon sin square x into cos square x into dx. Then here we can make separate quanta sin cube x divided by denominator sin square x into cos square x. Okay. Then plus integral of cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x. Separate into dx here also into dx. Okay. Now here sin square x square cancel. Sorry. Cos square cancel. This is that. Now here what left? Sin x upon cos square x. So sin upon cos tan and 1 upon cos sec. So sec x tan x. By trigonometry, it is sec x into tan x. Next, cos x upon sin square x. So cos x upon sin x, cos x, 1 upon sin cos x. So cos x, cos x. Into dx. Anti-derivative both sec x tan x integral sec x, because derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Okay, and plus integral cosec x cot x, because derivative cosec x minus cosec x cot x, integral cosec x cot x minus cosec x. Okay, so minus cosec x, plus minus cosec x. Antiderivative what? And plus integral. Answer. Important question. Like this question, very important in the exam. Like this question asking. Simple, the trigonometry. Okay. Like, share, and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them who are the new students in +2. Guide them. They must watch the last chapters, last videos. First, subscribe the channel, and then you can get the every video with you. First, you subscribe the channel, guide them, okay, subscribe the channel, and you can see every chapters of S2S maths classes. Okay, you search on YouTube. Okay, and then not forget to write the comment in comment box. Thank you.